Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Leo, you're facing the wrong. What do you have there, Leo?
I a button.
You're drawing Spider-Man?
I a back button.
It's a black Spider-Man.
I me. Back.
That's you?
Yeah, look, a button.
Yep. What did you get here?
Get you?
No. What are these? What are those?
Stickers.
Stickers.
Yeah, but you.
And Spider-Man's there too. Let's turn the page.
Look that. Bobby, that.
I don't know who that guy is. Electro. That's Electro. You're just getting every little part there, aren't you, Leo? Ooh, there's a maze. Can you do the maze?
Maze.
You did it. You did it.
I opened this.
Okay.
That's but I back button. I
Spider-Man.
flying.
And he's flying.
Spiders.
Yeah. Who's that over there, Leo? Batman! What can Batman do?
Flying.
He can fly. What else can he do?
What? Boom.
He can land.
A coyote.
Yep. He fell.